What's going on, guys? How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. As always, my name is Jalen Donner and you're watching Don Productions YouTube channel. Now, I do apologize for the lack of videos lately. I'm gonna try and get better at that. I just started fucking summer school this week, and so that and juggling this job is just gonna be a little bit difficult. Yeah, enough about that. But we're gonna go on to the title of this video. As you can tell by the title of this video, there has been some damage done to my Corvette. Not by me, but by the people I let work on my car. I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna show you what happened right quick, and then I'm gonna kind of explain really quick. It's gonna be like a quick update video. It's not gonna be really nothing too long, and then I'll take y'all along as the whole process is like when I find out more and everything. The front right here, the front splitter right here is cracked from here to here. Now, when I originally, now this is the story. When I dropped my car off at Discount Tire to go have a tire looked at it because I had a slow leak in this tire right here, this left tire right here. And so the next day I go to pick it up, right? They have it parked in Ford or whatever. I go pick it up. I get home, I drive, and everything's cool or whatever. They told me free of charge, I just fixed it flat. It was just like a screw in the tire or whatever. So I get home, when I park the car, I get out, right? And I look, say this to me right here. I literally walk out, I'm getting out the car, right? And I'm doing this right here, and I'm looking at the front of it. And then I know, I'm like, well, hold up. I know I ain't do this shit to my fucking car. What is this shit on the front of it? Only thing that I've done to my splitter was scrape the bottom of it, going over like hills and shit. So I know I didn't do that shit. So I get a closer look, and I see that my shit's damaged. Like they fucking went over some hard bump or whatever. I take my ass back down there, probably be late to work or whatever. But damn that, because they fucked up my car. So I go back, I take my ass back down there, and I talk to the manager or whatever. He's like, the thing that upsets me is like, they should have told me something happened to my car before I left, and I wouldn't be as upset about it, you know what I'm saying? They would have just told me instead of going and try to brush it under the rug and act like I wasn't gonna find out. Like, come on now, of course I'm gonna find out. But if they would have told me before, instead of me just going home and finding out, then I would have been alright. So I go talk to the manager or whatever. He runs back with some employees, I guess, to find out whoever was working on my car and whoever parked it later on that day. And so the thing was, I guess what happened is that somebody, when they parked the car, you see the car sits low enough, so you would think that it's obvious that when you get the car, you would fucking, or when you're driving the car, you got to be careful. You got to be cautious of cracks, potholes, bumps in the road, low angles and shit like that when you're driving. You would think that's obvious, but apparently it's not. So apparently what they found out was, I guess when whoever parked my car, when they parked it, like right over here. I guess when they found out who parked my car or whatever, when they were parking it, they ran the front of it into this fucking curb. Which, like I said, I don't know how that's fucking retarded, but the thing is, like, you would think it's obvious that the car's just low enough, so you have to be careful parking this shit. You would think that's obvious, but apparently it's not. But yeah, that's what they did, man. So I was fucking heated. I told the dude, like, yeah, you guys are gonna help me in the splitter. So they was cool with it or whatever. He contacted his insurance agency or whatever, or the Discount Tire corporate office, and they contacted me. I think it was 2 days ago, telling me basically find out who I want, go to the I guess get in a quote or appraisal on it to find out how much the splitter is and like what it would be to repair the shit and how much the labor is and everything, and they're gonna take care of everything else. So I went to this place called Gun Chevrolet yesterday in Selma, Texas, and I went to this place in Gun Chevrolet in Selma, Texas yesterday, and like basically they didn't have the part installed. It's on back order, and then the part, I think it says like $2,100, but it's just a front splitter. So I don't know if they misunderstood what the fuck I was talking about, or I don't know why so much. I honestly don't, but that's the thing going on with that. But I'm probably gonna find somewhere else, and I'll just shoot the guy. Try to call the guy yesterday, email him, ask him, like, you know, tell him like, what does he want me to do? I think even though I'm not paying for it, $200 is a lot of fucking money for a front splitter. Like that's ridiculous. I don't know why it's that much. So I just told the dude, and I was just like, I emailed him, and I was just like, I told him what the dealership had told me, what they quoted me on the price and everything was, and I told him I could just find an aftermarket one on a website or whatever, send him the link, and then they can go on from there, and then I tell him who I want to install the thing, and then they can go and put it on. But I haven't heard back from him. I'm probably gonna call him up again in a minute because he was out of the office yesterday, but I sent him an email yesterday, and he'll be back in at 7 this morning, so he should have already responded, but that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on this, man. Like I said, it's just a really quick video. Thank you guys for watching. As always, hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you are not already follow me on the social media at Don__productions on Instagram, Snapchat FReal, LFUHLREALL. Don't ask me why that's my Snapchat name. That just is created a long time ago. Don't ask me why. Whatever. But just like that, man, this video is done. So I hope you guys have a blessed day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next.